Ugh, that sinking feeling when you reach for your wallet and nada. Where did all your cash go? We've all been there. But what if there was a way to track your spending, identify sneaky subscription fees, and actually see where your money's going? Enter budgeting apps. Today, we're diving deep into pocketguard, a popular app that promises to take the mystery out of your finances. But before you download it, one crucial question: does pocketguard offer a free trial? Let's unlock the secrets of your spending and see if pocketguard can be your financial guardian angel. Free forever? The pocketguard rundown. Pocketguard actually has a two-tiered system, a free version and a premium option called pocketguard Plus. The free version offers a good chunk of budgeting features, making it a great option for those just starting out. Here's what you get with the free plan. Account aggregation. Connect your bank accounts to automatically track your income and expenses. In My Pocket Tracker, this handy feature gives you a real-time snapshot of your spendable cash by factoring in your income, bills, savings goals, and recent spending. Bill tracking. Stay on top of upcoming bills and avoid those late fees. Subscription tracker. Ever forget about that random music streaming service you signed up for years ago? pocketguard identifies recurring subscriptions so you can see where your hard-earned money goes. Basic budgeting tools. Set spending goals and categorize your expenses to gain some insights into your spending habits. So, the free version packs a decent punch, but what about the paid upgrade? pocketguard Plus, supercharged budgeting. pocketguard Plus unlocks a whole new level of financial control. Here are some of the perks you get by upgrading. Unlimited bank connections. Connect as many bank accounts as you need for a comprehensive view of your finances. Custom categories. Create your own spending categories for a more personalized budgeting experience. Transaction adjustments. Made a mistake? No problem. Edit past transactions to keep your data accurate. Data export. Download your financial data for further analysis or to share with a financial advisor. Unlimited savings goals. Set as many savings goals as you need to stay motivated. Cash tracking. Track cash spending alongside your bank transactions for a complete picture of your finances. Debt payoff plan. Get a personalized plan to tackle your debt and see yourself become debt-free faster. Free trial frenzy. Unlocking pocketguard Plus. Now, for the answer you've all been waiting for, does pocketguard Plus offer a free trial? Absolutely. pocketguard entices new users with a 7-day free trial of pocketguard Plus. This gives you the chance to test drive all the premium features and see if they're worth the upgrade. Here's the catch: after the 7 days are up, your trial automatically converts to a paid subscription unless you cancel beforehand. So, be sure to set a reminder in your calendar if you don't plan on keeping the Plus version. Is the free trial worth it? Whether the free trial is worth it depends on your financial situation and how serious you are about tackling your budget. If you're just dipping your toes into budgeting, the free version might be enough to get you started. However, for those who want a more powerful budgeting tool with features like cash tracking and debt payoff plans, the free trial of pocketguard Plus is a great opportunity to see if it can be your budgeting BFF. Final verdict: free or fee? pocketguard offers a free tier with a good set of functionalities, making it a strong contender for budget-conscious individuals. But if you're serious about taking control of your finances, the premium features of pocketguard Plus can be invaluable. The 7-day free trial allows you to explore these features and decide if the upgrade makes sense for your financial goals. Remember, the key to budgeting success is finding a system that works for you. pocketguard, free or paid, can be a powerful tool to shed light on your spending and empower you to make smarter financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.